Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It's a little after 3 on Wednesday, November 22nd. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. This is your daily market recap and option flow review. And this is it for me for the week, guys. I'm done. I'm not going to be around on Friday, so I'm going to wish you guys all the really great Thanksgiving for you and your families. A nice weekend. Enjoy your day. Enjoy the week. For those of you who are going to trade on Friday, typically it's a bullish day. It's a very light volume day like today. We tend to grind up throughout the day. Remember, the markets do close at 1 o'clock. So if you're going to do that, great, and enjoy it. Just, remember that this is the type of day you're going to be in. Alcoa puts coming in here. All right. So today the action was all over. We had the Fed minutes. The market didn't care. The most interesting thing to me today is the banks got beat up a little bit today ahead of the Fed minutes. And even though the December rate hike looks on track, they don't seem to want anything to do with them here. So I have until January, so I'm sitting in my positions, and I'll let them sit there because I do think eventually they get a catalyst. And we do have, starting next week, we'll hear a lot of discussion about tax reform in the Senate, and they maybe get a vote. But nothing going on there. Energy today kind of just hung out and gapped up and didn't really do much. The action today was in a couple names. Amazon, there was a weekly call buyer, came in a couple times into the weekly 1165s. You can see they came in. I had a nice dollar trade on my options today on it. I traded this pop here, sold into here, and thought about rebuying back here and didn't. I played the 1050s, and boy, that was a mistake not buying back. But you know what? I really came in today not really too caring. Baidu was another name. I caught a dollar trade on the December 1050 options. It's coming back in now. This may give us another play here. It did not finish filling the gap. Came into resistance here. Kind of like this moving forward as well. The SPY saw a ton of call buying today. Most notably was the March 290s, 30,000 plus of them. Those are cheap ones, but there was a lot of them bought. But just a lot of overall action you can see into the SPY today here. Lots and lots and lots of different types of action. Very bullish activity on the SPY and the calls there. What else today? Bank calls coming in here now. A little bit of Bank of America calls coming in as we're watching this. There was some call buying in the banks today. Nothing special. Bank had the best of it, but nothing that got me excited. These are the December 2750 calls now on the bank. And they are swept for 110K. And right behind it, some more GM. December 1st, 4450 calls. Are swept here as well for $289,000 plus. Call 290. So nice little sweeps coming in here late. What else? Twitter has been a beautiful. I trimmed a lot more today up here at just shy of $2 at $1.98 from an entrance at 98 cents. So 100% gain, and a little bit over 100% gain. I took a lot of it off there. That said, big call buying still coming into the name here. The reason I want to pull some here, I now have the ability to add as much back as I want. I had a very large position. I started trimming yesterday, and I took a big chunk of it today. Now I have a runner from this gap to try to get it to 24. This way, if it goes sideways or pulls, it is a little extended off the 21 of the 8-day here. I now have the ability to add back into it to play it some more. So I love it. It is a completely more than a free trade what I have left on now by far. So Twitter still looks good. I like this long term. It may need some time here. Facebook, kind of a weird day. Not what I was looking for. I'm still in it. It got pulled back. There's somebody finished selling a big position there, so we saw some profit taking there. Nothing that has me overly concerned. Let's see, Celgene, let's talk about that name. Nothing massive, but for the first time, there was some call buying. The December 110s, they hit. It's in that gap. It could move here. It's right at the 21-day. This is a name we'll keep an eye on. I keep watching for some type of rotation back into biotech. Haven't quite seen it yet. Maybe we'll get it one of these days. I don't know. Kind of keep waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. What else? Semis took the day off. Baba took the day off. Apple was good. Apple gave a day too. I'm still involved in that one. I haven't taken any more profits yet. Still holding my December 177.50 calls that I rolled up to yesterday. Still looks good here. Google woke up late this afternoon. This one may now try to run to 1063 as it's really got no resistance here, right? Nothing really to stop this from going at this point if they want it. All in all, guys, just another holiday week, bullish week. I'd look for this to continue on Friday. And then Monday we come back and we have Cyber Monday. So Black Friday, Cyber Monday. We'll see how Monday morning opens up. Again, I want to wish you guys who are in the service, thank you. Love having you. If you're not in the service, smartoptiontrading.com. Give me a hookup. Look at me. If you're interested, I'll offer you a special promotion if you hit me up on Twitter with a direct message at OptionsMike. And to everybody out there, a very, very happy Thanksgiving to you all. And I will catch you all on Monday morning. Take care.